Now it's the turn for a steam-along Timothy the Ghost engine, one of its kind models with a black rooftop, silver and red lining, vinyl, and the number 0 with a very creepy looking face, white running board, black wheels, and it works. But before that, we need to put some distilled water here so we can make it steam. I'm gonna add 2 milliliters of water. The model takes 3 AA batteries on this back car right behind Timothy. Alright, moment of truth. With black background, definitely stands out. Really cool model. I can see the steam very clear. That's awesome. Now it's working great. One of the coolest Timothy the Ghost engine models in steam along